Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So whether this is your first time here or you've been before, a very big welcome. So I'm very pleased, very grateful today to be doing another Your Creative Studio unboxing. This was actually sent to me a few weeks ago, but because of certain circumstances, I couldn't film it until now. So I am very grateful to Amanda at Your Creative Studio for understanding those circumstances and being extremely patient with me. But I'm delighted to be doing this today. Now, I think this was the April box. If I'm wrong on that, I'll correct it on screen. So as usual, beautifully wrapped, a little card in here. And it's a quote by Oscar Wilde: "A flower blossoms for its own joy." Sorry, we're getting a bit of light coming in, but yeah, I'll maybe just try closing these blinds. Right, I think that's got rid of most of it, a little bit here and there, but it's a Saturday morning and it's a beautiful morning. So let's get into this box. I'm going to try and not tear this paper. There we go. And I'm just going to lift this out like this and put the box off to the side. So the paper itself is beautiful. I've got some projects coming up and I can imagine using these on that. So here we go. So washi tape. I don't know how well you can see that, a very delicate blue pattern. I'm going to have to shut these top lines now. Okay, the trials and tribulations of filming. So yes, a beautiful washi tape with a very delicate flower. It's almost transparent, certainly translucent. And this is a cling stamp. As I say, I think this was the April box, which I think the theme was flowers, but again I'll put that up. Oh, there's actually three stamps in here. I don't know how well you can see these with the light hitting. These are nice, you know, sometimes you want just a kind of smaller type stamp, especially if you're making artist trading cards and you just want to put a little stamp on it. Now, I still haven't used my last pack from Your Creative Studio, which was the kind of train transport theme. This is also a cling stamp, but I am planning to make lots of projects with these soon. Oh, that's nice. So it's almost like a little cameo type thing, so you could have a picture in there and then stamp with this around it. I guess it can go either way. Right, and now to the papers of some description. So this is the Time Flies series bill collection. So all different bills, a few of each design by the looks. Ice cream, butcher, W.W. Cook, the butcher, cafe and patisserie, Griffith and Turner Company. Oh, these are lovely. Groceries. John Wanamaker, New York. That's super. So many uses for these things. Ooh, what next? Past memory. So these are like kind of little stickers, translucent stickers, I think. Yes, so little kind of transparent, I don't know if they're called washi stickers. It's like a dried flower, and it feels like a real flower. I don't know if it is, but it feels like a real flower. A bun. I love bunnies. And this one's like an artist's palette. So lots of stickers and paper embellishments. There's always so many different pieces in these boxes. It's like little calendars. Different colours. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Month. So, you know, if you did kind of diary keeping, kind of journal diary, perfect for that. There's another bit of the flower. And list. Very nice indeed. Oh, right, time collection. I get all fingers and thumbs trying to open these. So again, more of the stickers. These are beautiful, so delicate looking. And again, a really nice size for ATCs. I like that. It's even got a little bit of petal folded over. Little map. I love anything with maps. Oh, these feel like it could stick down if you wet it. This almost feels as if it's got a sticky backing to it, I'm not sure. And more little adverts, like an old photo image. And tickets. It's definitely flowers. So this one's split down the side, so I'll just open it this way. And again, it's more of the flowers, like a cornflower. I've just had a couple like that, a few like that in my garden. They've just kind of gone over a bit, been blown by the wind a bit. Bigger version of the one I showed earlier. These are gorgeous. That's... I've got that in my garden too, and I can't remember what it's called. Got it grown in a tub. Got beautiful scent to it. There's so many of these. Iris, gosh, I've got one like that in my garden too. I don't know if I'm showing these off to their best, but there's a lot here, and I will certainly show more when I'm doing projects with them. Right, land of all things. So these look kind of like journaling cards. Could be used as journaling cards, could be used as the backs for ATCs or on collage pages, plant handbook, that's nice. So if you kept a kind of garden journal, these would be ideal for this. I did have a garden journal, I've not used it in a long time. Love that one. With the toadstools. Botanique. Grass and sheep in spring. Love the kind of grungy look to these, vintage look. It's as if someone's already written a note on it. Yeah, so again, so many of these, and I will show them in more detail when I come to use them. So I should say at this point, I'm not being paid to do this video, but I did receive this box as a gift, again, from your creative studio. So, you know, I don't know what I've done to deserve such a thing, but it's very kind of them to send this. So that in itself is a lovely little pocket that could go in a journal. And we have numbers. So again, those would be good for dates or anything in a diary type journal. Kind of bills again, labels. These are very nice. These would be gorgeous and very beautiful detail. Oh, gorgeous. So, I mean, you could even cut that out if you wanted, but that just on a page would be very nice indeed. And some plainer pieces. So again, you could use these as backings, you know, and make up a little collage on these. That'd be very nice. So many things. And these are stickers, like stamps. So just peel up and off. I think this could be, now it says masking tape. Feels like a piece of tissue. Oh, this is very nice. I'm just trying not to let it stick to the package. So yes, very delicate printed tissue, and you can see how translucent that is. You could see me using that in a painting. In fact, the colours are something that I'm working on just now. And there's more, my goodness. Okay, so this is a pack like last time where there's a mixture of papers. So 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper and 6 pattern paper. It looks amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook, tags and much more. And again, beautiful designs. And these backing pieces are so good. So there's the kind of vellum. Oh, look at that sweet little bird. And maybe you can hear the birds here in the background. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? So a lot of them with the kind of bluebirds on. Nice vintage piece. Kind of faded, distressed, gorgeous. So beautiful. There again we have the bird there and the bluebirds there. And it's nice getting the different types of paper. Just so many. And I do love the translucent ones, the vellum. You can just layer that over other things. You know, even within a journal, you could have a page and then that just sitting on top of it, and you lift it to see what's underneath. Beautiful. And last but not least, these are like transfer stickers. Yeah, rub-on transfer stickers, and it even comes with the little implement. Even comes with a little implement telling you how to do it, instructions on how to use these. And again, these are just beautiful. Look at the detail on the dragonfly. On the flowers. I love these. So beautiful. I mean, look at that. Again, as a kind of putting something in the centre of it. Love it. Wow. So many fabulous things here again. Really blown away by the amount that you get in these boxes. Now, as I say, I was gifted this box and I'm very grateful to your creative studio for doing that. I will leave a link to their website below. Do check them out if you're interested in this. I think you can pre-order boxes for the coming month, and if there's availability of past boxes, you know, obviously you can still purchase them. I think they do also sell individual items, so you know, if you didn't want a complete box but there was a stamp you liked, I think you can, you know, buy the stamp on its own, obviously all subject to availability. So I want to get cracking making things with both the last box I received and this box. So yeah, please do go check them out if you're interested. Thank you again to Your Creative Studio. I have got a ton of projects here to do with all of this and with all of the last box, and I can't wait to get cracking on it. So thanks ever so much for watching. Do take care. Bye for now.